These days, when you hear the word Apple, the fruit is not what comes to mind first, but it is the company that manufactures and supports the iPhones. And this is because of the best-in-class services and products that they provide. And this notion has been true for the most part of it, until recently, when questions such as, is Apple slowing down your older iPhone, has been doing the rounds everywhere. And we are going to be addressing the elephant in the room on an episode of Techtitude Insights, and also the steps that Apple has taken to fix this. So this all started a few weeks ago, when a test revealed that the older iPhones that consisted of the iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S and the 6S Plus have been facing some serious performance issues consisting of major slowdowns, some stuttering and lagging, and also app launching delays. This result was instantly posted on many social media forums and instantly spread like wildfire with all the iPhone users. Many tech bloggers and also YouTubers put up their views on various social media, and the people instantly started using hashtags and also started blaming Apple for slowing down their older iPhones. Some customers came forward saying that when they experienced such slowdowns on their older iPhones, they reached out to the customer support for assistance on this, and the customer support was generally guiding them towards upgrading their smartphones, because they stated that the older iPhones would get slower by time, and then upgrading to the newer iPhones would generally solve their performance issues. People went ahead to file lawsuits, and Apple is currently dealing with 8 lawsuits regarding this, and thus Apple was forced to release a statement regarding this. And let's see what Apple had to say. They released an official statement on 28 December of 2017, stating the reasons why this was done. They start off with an apology and then continue on to say how batteries age and how they chemically get worn out. They go on to say that about a year ago, with iOS 10.2.1, they delivered a software update wherein the performance was tweaked for the iPhone 6 up to the iPhone 6s Plus to maintain the battery slowdown and also preventing unexpected shutdowns. This also included the iPhone SE. Gradually, Apple also released the iOS version 11.2, which further extended this tweak to the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus. They had hoped that these changes would go unnoticed, but somehow when users experienced longer launch times, they started reporting issues with this. Once this was done recently, people started experiencing the slowdowns on iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus as well, which are currently very recent phones considering the release timeline. And finally, Apple concludes its message by saying that they are addressing the customer concerns with the following methods. First up, Apple has reduced the price of out-of-warranty iPhone battery replacement by $50 to a $29 fee from the original $79. So the owners of the iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 7 and 7 Plus will be eligible for the battery replacement. The same offer costs about Rs 2000 INR in India, which has been brought down from the price of 6,500 previously. At these prices are exclusive of taxes, and Apple claims that once the battery is replaced with a new one, the original performance of the iPhones will be restored. This offer will be continued through December 2018, so be sure to grab a new battery at this reduced price, as it is a great deal for older iPhones specifically. Apple also stated that in early 2018, it will issue an iOS software update with new features that gives more visibility into the health of their iPhone's battery, so that they can see for themselves if it's affecting the performance or not. So for all the users who have been using the iPhone 6 up to the iPhone 7s Plus, have a great offer at hand right now and should get their batteries replaced sometime in 2018. Do hit the like button if you like our videos, and also subscribe to our channel to get notifications about the same. But you'll get those only if you hit the bell icon. Have a look at our other videos on our channel and be sure to like them and leave a comment if you feel it is good enough. Thanks for watching guys, and we hope your iPhones get well soon. See you in the next one.